guys, it's Saya. Today we are going to cook gyoza together. Here we go! Alright, let's introduce our ingredients. First we need 240 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, 120 grams of warm water. And 1 pound of ground pork and 14 stalks of green onion. And 3 grams of salt and 3 grams of black pepper, 3 grams of soy sauce. That's all we need. Let's cook. Alright, and we put in 3 grams of salt. Go in there. Come on. Okay. Pour into flour the hot water. Now I'm going to switch it to the hand. It feels like forever.
5 minutes later.
This is the really like hard work. Okay, now we are going to make it sleep for 30 minutes, normal temperature. Alright, while we waiting for 30 minutes, and take 14 stalks of green onions, I'm going to cut it. Just slice on the middle of green onion stalk. And now we're going to chop. Now we are going to mix this onion, green onion, into the 1 pound of ground pork. Before that, I'm putting 3 grams of black pepper, soy sauce, 3 grams as well, and the chopped green onion into the bowl. And now I'm going to mix with hand. Some people actually using salt and mix it the ground green onion and squeeze with it and take it extra moisture and water out of it, but I don't want to do that because we already using 3 grams of salt into it, and the soy sauce has a little bit of salt too, so we have already enough salt. I don't want to add it more salt. You know, fresh green onion makes kind of juicy, little bit of it makes in a little bit of moisture. I just want to say that I just want to keep it moisture inside it into the gyoza. So yeah, I'm not going to take it the moisture out of the green onion. Just keep it inside this meat. Alright, thank you for guys waiting. It's now 19 minutes over. Alright. Half and another half. I'm sorry, it's so hard to do with the gloves. I'm just gonna take it out. I already washed my hands anyway, so. Okay. About 7 centimeter. Right. 6 different. Going to make this one to push it to the round and push it. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, we just need to make it like round. You don't need this specific round because it's really hard. It's homemade, so it's always different shape, I guess. Alright, now time to put in the meat inside. Alright. Put in the 1 tablespoon of ground meat. One is ready. Okay, now we are going to saute gyoza. About 2, not 2 tables. You can see it, and I want to put sesame oil and cover all the pan. So it's a little bit, seems like a lot of oil, but it turned to so much better. So now place all the gyoza. I like circle ways. These circle ways. Okay, nice. how to stay together. Alright, time to turn on heat. Okay, can you see? It's getting hotter. Then it's actually time to put 100 cc water goes top on the order of the gyoza. It's a little bit dangerous. That'll be fine. Stay like this water in high heat and about 4 minutes and covered after 1 minute later. So about first 1 minute and just put in water and heat, change it to the high heat and no cover 1 minute. And then after 1 minute, cover it and rest of 30 minutes. Still high heat, just cover it and just wait until the odor steam go away. It's important to change the heat for high and make sure that the inside is the odors steams go away. Right, 4 minutes finished. Oh my god, this is so scary. I'm going to prep it. I think I need an assistant. Hey, James, can you come over?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think it looks good. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe it. This gyoza is really easy to make, and if you have kids, they will be really good assistant. And it's easy and not dangerous, and everybody enjoy cooking together. I hope you guys are happy life. I hope I can see you next video.